With hearts full of gratitude and pride, I warmly welcome all of you to this grand opening ceremony of the University Week 2026, a celebration made even meaningful as we commemorate the 50th founding anniversary of our beloved institution.
So good evening to all of you and happy 50th founding anniversary. Welcome to the grandest, most anticipated week of the year. As we stand here tonight, we are breathing in the legacy of 50 years.
University Week is more than a series of activities. It is a living tribute to our history, a celebration of our present achievements, and a renewal of our commitment to the future. It reminds us that the strength of UPHSD lies not only in its milestones, but in its people. Individuals united by purpose, inspired by faith, and dedicated to uplifting society. As we officially open this meaningful celebration, may this week ignite in us a deeper sense of unity, gratitude, and mission. May God bless UPHSD on its 50th founding anniversary. Let us all celebrate this wonderful week ahead of us.